Let's go RTO with me. And it's for day 3, last day.
Narinig na po yung warning bell, sir.
RTO, day 3.
Day 3 mo ngayon?
Day 3 natin kayo nandito.
Day 3.
So it's our lunch. I'm with
Hi.
Jessa
Ay,
and...
putik ka.
Okay.
Akala ko pala yan.
Okay lang.
Akala ko,
So ito lunch
picture.
namin. Oh, di ba? Simple lang. Rodrigo, RTO. RTO last day. RTO last day.